Are you tired of mediocre art supplies holding back your creativity? Hey artists, welcome to my channel. Today, we are reviewing the MONT MARTE acrylic paint set. Is it worth investment? As an intermediate artist, I am excited to share my honest thoughts. Let's unbox this beauty. The set looks comprehensive, with 24 vibrant colors of 36 milliliters each. I am opening my favorite colors first. The paint looks rich, but will they perform? Let's take a look and dive into the video. And the best part of these MONT MARTE vibrant colors provide is its excellent coverage, even when I make mistakes, like this one. Wow, the cores are stunning, coverage is impressive too. So, is the MONT MARTE acrylic paint set worth it? Absolutely. For beginners to intermediate artists, this set is a steal. You will get great results without spending that much. I highly recommend this set to beginners and hobbyists. It's perfect for practicing techniques or creating small projects. Look, the gold and silver are so shiny, vibrant, and beautiful. These colors are great value for money and have a versatile range of stylers, excellent coverage. This paint set is worth buying in 2024. Look how attractive these colors are. I am so obsessed with these 24 acrylic paint set of MONT MARTE. Share your MONT MARTE experiences in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell icon. Thanks for watching my video. See you in the next video.